done talking.
We are doing breakfast.
Again, but this is a different breakfast.
Yes, it is.
We're here to show you how to take everyday breakfasts and turn them into Greek island style breakfasts.
And we're doing a spin on French toast, making it Greek toast. And what makes it Greek? Joanne?
Well, we're going to use Greek yogurt, and what else are we going to use?
We're going to use cinnamon.
Tsoureki.
Typical French toast is sweet on the inside. We're not doing that. So what we're doing is we're using cinnamon, and it's savory because we have a little bit of salt in the eggs, and it's going to be really, really good. And this time we're using
tsoureki
instead of regular bread.
Right. A lot of people use regular bread. I know some people like to use challah.
Yeah, if
Right.
you don't have tsoureki, you can use
Yeah,
challah.
challah works just fine for
But
this.
tsoureki has a unique Greek flavor because of the spices and the seasonings that go into it.
Right. So we're going to crack an egg. And then we're going to add some milk. And we're only using one egg because we don't want to make too much of this stuff right now. But typically you would do a couple of eggs
And
and about a quarter cup of milk.
A quarter cup of milk and about 8 slices of tsoureki.
So we're going to put a little bit of salt in this.
And we'll be generous with the cinnamon.
I love cinnamon on
You
my
want to
French
see
toast.
those specks of cinnamon on your bread when it's toasting.
I tend to saturate my French toast with cinnamon because I love cinnamon.
A great trick for this though is sometimes the first couple of slices soak up all the cinnamon, so you can add as you go if you see that the eggs in the plate need it.
So then we're just going to soak our tsoureki. And you want to let it get a good soak. So what I like to do is I like to give it a little bit of a stab, and it lets the egg soak in.
And you want to have your pan ready, heated up with some butter in there.
Like we do here. And then you hear the sizzle. Thank you, Jackie. Jackie's our videographer
Said that last time.
And photographer.
and photographer.
She's setting up our shots, making sure everything looks good and making sure everybody is in frame.
So we did some dairy-free milk for this because,
Because in the very first video, she tried to kill me.
right, I tried
Minor
to
little details.
minor
Just
details.
like so minuscule.
But you can use regular milk, you can use almond milk, coconut milk, they all work
Oat
well with
milk
this.
now
Oat milk.
is a thing.
You can find
Oat
oat milk. What else works really well? There's cashew milk.
Cashew milk is
You can
probably
use soy
delicious.
milk.
Soy
If you
milk.
like soy milk, you could use that. That works
You
too.
can do sweetened,
I
unsweetened,
find soy milk makes
flavored.
it a little bit tart. Gives that little bit of sour flavor.
I mean, but then I guess you can use vanilla soy milk, and that'll take away the tart and add a little sweetness.
Whatever you like, whatever gives you the result that you're looking for.
Okay, so you want to let this get to a nice little golden brown.
And if you can hold that up to the camera,
I will as soon
that way
as.
folks can just see what that looks like.
And if you could only smell this right now.
Oh my gosh, you
oh
can
my
smell the
goodness,
cinnamon.
It smells delicious. But we gotta get it back on the stove here so that it can cook. And then what we have over here is we have some toasted nuts and we have some Greek yogurt. So we can add that to the top, and then we're going to drizzle it with a little bit of honey.
We're going to go with a little bit of Greek thyme honey, which is my personal favorite. There are different kinds out there, and use the one that you like. But it adds that nice layer of flavor to whatever you're drizzling it on.
Oh, that
That's-
smells so delicious.
Oh my gosh.
You should be here in our kitchen right now.
Come on over.
Come on over.
But if you make this while we're making it, you can have the same result and taste it in real time.
Okay, and so our first batch is just ready to come off.
So that's number one.
That's number one. And this is our number
And the first one, so here we're going to do, you do that little trick because you like to do the little spoon thing.
So we like to do little quenelles with our, whenever we do yogurt or whipped cream. So we are now going to add that to the top.
And then we want to drizzle it with our thyme
Jackie,
honey.
you want to drizzle?
Yeah.
Oh, we're stuck. We got all stuck.
So typical with regular French toast.
I'm trying.
You try it. Typical with
No pressure.
typical with regular French toast is you would do like maple syrup on top.
But again, this is Greek style, so we're using honey.
You can put as much or as little as you want.
Though this is a healthier version than regular French toast because honey,
Absolutely.
you don't have to put a lot of honey on there. It's just a little touch.
And you're gonna put what type of nuts?
And we're using toasted walnuts, but you can use almonds, you can use cashews, whatever you like. And just put those on top, kind of like a garnish, and you're all good to go.
And this is our Greek French toast.
French toast. It's Greek toast.
Greek toast.
So let's get this up close so you can all see what it looks like.
Tilt it some more. To me. Okay.
And that's Greek toast. Galiorixi.
Galiorixi. Join us again next time.